How to know if your Android or iPhone phone has a virus. How to clean and remove virus from Android or iPhone. And how to protect yourself from future threats. We will answer all these questions in this video. So watch it till the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss everything related to viruses on your Android or iPhone phone. For example, what are the signs that your phone is infected with a virus? How to check if there is a virus on your phone. How to clean up the virus. And finally, how to protect yourself from such problems in the future. The video will be useful for those who do not have an antivirus app or want to change it to another one. So let's start with the signs. What are the signs that your phone is infected by a virus? No. 1. Performance suddenly slows down. When your phone gets infected with a virus, its performance starts to slow down. Apps take longer to load. Your phone may freeze or crash more frequently, and the battery may drain very quickly even if you haven't been using it heavily. All this happens because the virus uses up your phone's resources. No. 2. Annoying pop-up ads. If you see unexpected ads on your lock screen or home screen, especially when you're not using any app, this is a sure sign that your phone is infected. Another annoying pop-up ads is when you try to open any website and it keeps you in the same place and shows again and again. No. 3. Unfamiliar apps installed. As a rule, all viruses and malware are installed as regular applications. They may be iconless or hidden. They may run in the background without your knowledge. Such apps usually have names like System Update or Cleaner. But you can find other strange names too. Number 4. Battery drains rapidly. Malware often runs in the background, using up your phone's resources continuously, which results in rapid battery drain. Check your battery usage. If an unknown app is draining your battery, delete it immediately. No. 5. Data usage spikes. Most viruses send data in the background without your knowledge, which can result in a spike in your mobile data usage. It may seem that you use your phone as always, but in fact, your data limit may come very quickly. No. 6. Calls or messages you didn't send. If you get notifications that you sent messages or made calls that you didn't make, this is a sign of spyware or a Trojan infection. This happens when your contact list is infected and messages are sent to all your contacts. Number 7. Unusual charges on your bill. Malware might send premium rate SMS or make expensive calls, so check your phone bill for any unfamiliar charges. And finally, No. 8. Security warnings from antivirus apps. If you have an antivirus app installed on your phone and it's warning you about threats, take it seriously, especially if the same app or file repeatedly triggers alerts. Now let's move on to checking for viruses on your phone. Let's start with Android phones. Check battery and data usage. Go to Settings, then Battery and Settings, next Network and Internet, then Data Usage. Look for unusual activity from unfamiliar apps. Next, check the app list. Go to Settings, then Apps and scroll through all installed apps. Install anything suspicious. And the next step, run a security scan. Use a trusted antivirus app like Office Mobile Security, Bitdefender, Norton Mobile Security or Malwarebytes. These apps can scan and remove threats from your phone. Finally, boot into safe mode. Hold the power button next. Tap and hold power off and tap OK to reboot in safe mode. In safe mode, your phone will boot up with only essential apps enabled. If your phone works fine in safe mode, the problem most likely lies in a downloaded app which you should uninstall immediately. Now let's move on to iPhone. To check if there is a virus on your iPhone, first look for pop-ups in Safari or Chrome. If you see them, close the browser and clear history and website data. Go to Settings, next Safari, then Clear History and Website Data. Next, check for unknown profile installations. Go to Settings, next General, then VPN and Device Management. Here you need to look for unknown profiles. You can remove them or reset settings. If nothing helps you, update your iOS software to the latest version. And as a last resort, factory reset your iPhone. But don't forget to back up your data first. Go to Settings, next General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, next Erase all content and settings. Now let's talk about how to clean your phone if it's infected. The steps are almost the same as when you check for a virus. So let's just go through them briefly. For Android phones, uninstall suspicious apps, clear browser history and cache, install or reinstall a trusted antivirus. Clear data from the affected apps and factory reset your phone as a last resort. For iPhone, clear Safari data, remove unknown profiles. Update iOS software and factory reset your phone if needed. Finally, let's talk about how to protect your phone from viruses in the future. For both Android and iPhone, only install apps from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Never install apps from unknown sources. Avoid clicking unknown links or pop-ups. Keep your phone's OS and apps updated. Use antivirus software on Android devices and avoid jailbreaking or rooting your device. So this is our today's video. Please like, share and subscribe if you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.